Imagine this, a movement born from the heart, a collective whisper turning into a booming voice, uniting Jamaicans far from their sun-soaked shores, all with a singular goal, to bolster their beloved island. Welcome to today's journey, where we examine the story of the National Association of Jamaican and Supportive Organizations, or NAJASO, America's premier diaspora organization aiming for a grand reemergence. Before we sail into the essence of NAJASO's revival, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Trust me, you don't want to miss the treasure trove of insights, especially the bonus facts waiting to dazzle you at the end. Picture this, it's 1977, and the vibrant Jamaican community in the United States finds a new voice, a beacon of unity through NAJASO. Spearheaded by the visionary Senator Alfred Rattray, this organization emerged as a patriotic front, a bridge not only for Jamaican Americans, but for an eclectic mix of Caribbean, African American, and international organizations, all rallying for Jamaica's prosperity. Fast forward to today, and the narrative takes a twist. NAJASO, once a powerhouse with 200 strong, now whispers in the shadows. Its numbers dwindled, its voice a faint echo of its former glory. Yet hope flickers anew as Her Excellency Audrey Marks, Jamaica's current ambassador to the United States, extends her hand, calling for a rekindling of this once mighty alliance. But why has this titan of diaspora unity found itself on shaky ground? A controversial policy change by NAJASO's leadership demanded back payments from former members seeking re-entry, causing ripples of discontent. This maneuver, seen by many as a tactic to cement current leaders' positions, has inadvertently shrunk NAJASO's voice and influence. Yet amidst the challenges, there's a beacon of hope. The Jamaica Diaspora Institute's research sheds light on what makes diaspora organizations like NAJASO indispensable. They offer inclusiveness, value addition, connectivity, and collaboration, essential ingredients for a robust diaspora presence. Why does this matter, you ask? Ambassador Curtis Ward reminds us of the diaspora's lifeline to Jamaica's economy, their remittances a steady stream in turbulent times. But beyond dollars and cents, the diaspora holds potent views on governance, human rights, and security. The diaspora's potential to influence positive change in Jamaica is immense, yet untapped. Enter Dr. Robert Clark and Dr. Roy Davidson, past NAJASO presidents, pledging to steer this ship back to prominence. Their commitment signifies a beacon of hope, a promise of revival. Now let's not forget why we're all here. You, the viewer, are part of this story. Your engagement, your voice, matters. If this tale of unity, challenge, and hope resonates with you, consider joining us in this digital community by subscribing. Together, we can be part of NAJASO's resurgence, part of a movement shaping the future of Jamaica and its global family. And now, as promised, those sparkling bonus facts about NAJASO. Founding vision. The West Indian Social Club of Hartford, a cornerstone in this story, was among NAJASO's founding members, embodying the vision of unity and support across the Jamaican diaspora. A legacy of leadership, Colin Bennett, NAJASO's first president, set the stage for a tradition of leadership that transcends borders, inspiring generations of Jamaicans in the diaspora. Beyond remittances. In a study, the Jamaica-based Caribbean Policy Research Institute stated that the Jamaican diaspora contributes 28% of Jamaica's GDP or gross domestic product, highlighting the economic powerhouse of nationals living outside the country's borders. As we draw this journey to a close, remember that NAJASO's story is not just about the challenges faced, but about resilience, unity, and the indomitable spirit of the Jamaican people. Let's be part of that continuing story. Thank you for being with us today, and let's thank Mark Millward, host of the popular Jamaica Diaspora Show, for his role in this video. If this story has touched you, ignited a spark, or made you curious, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales of unity, courage, and change. Together, let's make a difference. Until next time, keep the spirit alive, and as always, stay inspired.